Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at ILLuvium or ILV. It's really surprising to see gamified token up that much in a market like this. So this token has done really well whenever there is bull run, as you can see here. So back in 2021, it actually ended up hitting like 1 billion. Even back in 2021 of April, it actually nearly peaked around 1 billion, and back in December it actually ended up hitting like 500 million. So I would say it does have a pretty good range of like 500 million or even like 1 billion if the market is up. And as of now, the reason the coin is going down, I think it has to do with their event. So they have some kind of leak going on that seems to be pushing the token higher. As of now, that is what it seems like. Now this ILV is a governance token, as you can see here, and it is a gaming token in general, and they do have a pretty big ecosystem, I would say. So basically ILLuvium is a full decentralized RPG and collection games set in fragmented world of beauty and wonder. So they have different games, and I think they do follow the same universe, and that seems to be the really interesting part, I would say. Now if we talk about the game's availability, this Zero game is available on Play Store and other things, but the rest seems to be available on the PC exclusively as of now, and this is their Zero game. They have like 10k downloads, I would say. Overall it's fairly good. Anyways, now if we talk about other games, they have also open beta as well for this game as well. Overall, I would say this is fairly well built project, and they have been doing a lot of things as well. Now if we talk about how their game economy works, they have a thing called fuel. There are some games that supply the fuel, and there are some games that basically uh, require fuel to be used in those games. And this everything is balanced via the DAO. As you can see here, the DAO can sell more lands and or introduce a new feature or mechanics that can increase the supply of the fuel and other things going on. So they also have different game assets as well, and whereas their roadmap, it is not updated. So basically they only have a roadmap as high as 2024. They don't have anything else planned, it seems like. I did try to look on various things from their app, but I could not find it. So this is the fuel, and they do have different assets. Those are most likely NFTs. Now if we talk about its ecosystem, I believe it is in the ecosystem of just a second, it is in the ecosystem of, I think, layer 2 of just a second, let me try to open. Okay, so it is in the ecosystem of Immutable, I believe, IMX, and IMX is a layer 2. And as of now, if we talk about ILV itself, ILV is an ERC token that fuels the decentralized governance of the ILLuvium universe, empowering holders with the ability to shape the future of the ecosystem. So that is how it works. So basically you can vote and do things. You can also earn. So ILV holders enjoy the direct participations in the ILLuvium success through revenue distribution. So they do have a revenue distribution model built in, so that is a demand driver for the ILV token receiving rewards. So basically they do share some revenue as well, so I would say that's pretty good overall. Now they also have this something called fuel that basically empowers different things in the ecosystem. Now let's just move to the last section, which is going to be the price section. This is where I wanted to focus on this video. So as of now, it has started to go up, as you can see here, and I think it does have a pretty good resistance, I would say. if we look at this trend, this is a trend that it seems to be following as of now. So what I would be looking at, this downtrend. So if somehow it breaks above this downtrend, I think it can go like as high as $42 or even like 78 is a possibility if it breaks above this downtrend. That is a big if. Anyways, now beside that, if we look at the current market conditions, I would expect that some of the traders may trade the token and it could actually peak like slightly, I would say above here. So like $30, I think the $30 could be the potential resistance that it could fail from, because as of now I could not find a solid news that could have pushed the token higher, but it seems to be going up. There could be some hidden news that has yet to come out. That could be the driver that is basically pushing the token higher. I'm not sure, but again, if there is any kind of solid news that has yet to come out, I would say it can easily go as high as 31 or even like $32. And if it breaks above this downtrend, it can go as high as like 41 or even like $50 a possibility if that happens. But if there is no solid news, these are just if this is just pump and dump, I would say it can go as high as like 29 or even like 32 a possibility, and after that it should go down. But if there is a solid news that has yet to come out, I would say this coin can basically go as high as like 41, 71 or even 50 the possibility. Now if we talk about its market cap is relatively low, I would say, as of now, at least compared to all seasons in the past, as you can see. So in the past it has in just December it went as high as 500 million, and back in May of 2024 it nearly ended up hitting $1 billion. So even if it goes to like 500 million, that is, I would say, a pretty good that is a solid $70 or even like 65 to something like that price surge if that does happen. So it can easily do 200% price surge if that happens. But again, I think we do need to wait for the exact reason why the token is going up. If there is news, I think it can easily go as high as 52 or even like 60 or 70 the possibility. Anyways, I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.